working on the RV again. Sorry about the finger. I know better than that, but I was actually trying to get the glare out. It's a little more, we wiped it down at least, so it's a little cleaner. But here I go. I will get this, started ripping it all down. I'm like, oh yeah, I should probably film some of it. As you can see, it's pretty rotted. It's not too bad. And then, but I'm gonna see what I can do with her. Pretty much. But yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit, not too much. I started peeling this off. So this isn't leaking. It's just this, well, probably a little bit. I'm gonna reseal it. It's just this stuff right here. It's just peeling off, and I started peeling that. Same with this stuff. I'm gonna have to probably sand all these down and get some stickers. That pretty much like a wrap. It's like a wood wrap. And then same with this stuff. It's actually color faded. And I'll replace all that stuff too. You can see that one's been soaking on the side. Probably leaking over here, down over there, or that window or something. Once I get all this apart, I'll let you know. But that's where I'm at. Comes with a ladder. I don't know if I showed the bathroom. Floor's definitely gonna need some work. It's not rusty or anything, but it is uglier than a mofo. But it's cool. It's got like that old school. It's all steel or aluminum. Pretty cool. I'm really digging it. So that's where I'm at. I ordered some new tires for it too, but this is what I'm working with right now. I will keep you updated.